Hey guys, welcome to another adventure with Ruins and Ridges. It's only about 80 degrees, which feels cool for us because everywhere else it's about 100. So it's nice to escape the heat for a little bit. There's wild raspberries everywhere. All of these little bushes are wild raspberries. And they actually have berries on them. That is a long way down. There's this area of completely white sand. It almost looks like snow. It's coming off these sandstone rocks. We've reached a false summit, and there are 2 benchmarks. That is our destination. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we're gonna try. The Mogollon Rim sandstone and limestone are similar to the walls of the Grand Canyon. In many places, the rim is capped or buried by the extensive basaltic lava flows. A Western novel author, Zane built a hunting cabin on the slopes of the Mogollon Rim. Unfortunately, the original cabin burned down in a fire in 1990. Many of Zane Grey's books are about the Mogollon Rim. We love exploring the rim, hunting for fossils, mushrooms, views, and ancient ruins. Alright, well, we made it to the summit. There's no summit register or anything, but an amazing 360-degree view from this rock over the manzanita bushes. On a previous visit to the rim just a week earlier, I crashed my drone. We had to locate it in the bushy cliffside, but thankfully it was fine. We climbed off, and now we are doing a short little hike up a hill to a fire lookout. And by the way, there is a road going up, and we're just taking an off-trail shortcut to make the hike faster because we don't have too much time. I think we're going the hard way. Hopefully there's no bears hiding underneath these ferns. Oh, man. This is so tall. This is Baker Butte Fire Tower at the highest point on the rim at 8,074 feet. This tower was built in 1936 and is still operational and staffed. While we had visited a number of fire lookout towers in Arizona, this one is unique in that it has a metal observation deck around it, which was added in 2009. On a clear day, you can see for 200 miles all the way to Picacho Peak in Mount Lemon in southern Arizona.
Is this one of the taller ones? I know some of them are.
The Mogollon Rim has been said to be a spine of Arizona that cuts through the state for over 200 miles. And in places, the rim is a sheer escarpment that's nearly 2,000 feet high. This day was smoky and hazy, so visibility was not the best. There was also a small fire starting on the rim, so we got to see the fire lookouts work in action. We went to the lookout, and it was pretty cool. I filmed some. We got to go up into it. Back through the ferns we go. But thank you for watching, and please let me know what your favorite part was in the comments.